Hi, my name is Landon, and welcome to this video, whether you clicked on it or happened upon it. Before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself real quick. I make art, and I don't edit videos, so that's why I'm so overexposed. But yeah, we should jump into it. If you like what you see, feel free to like and subscribe. First time I ever said that, won't be the last. But yeah, anyway, please enjoy. Okay, so here I am, sitting here, thinking, what should I draw? Well, I thought about it, and what about those figure animals your sister got you? Yeah, it seems pretty good. All right. So which one? There's like at least 15 here. Oh yeah, what about your favorite of all time? Oh yeah, sure, let's do it. Okay, so this animal here, I'm sure it's a little ways in, you know what it is. I've liked it for a little while now, maybe since the dawn of time, before either of us existed, but it may be why we both exist, Like, at least at the same time. Although I've never seen one. That's kind of sad. It's like saying you've never tasted your favorite flavor of ice cream. Yeah, how would you even know it's your favorite at that point, though? I guess by, the look of it, or did you do research on it, or you just like the visuals? You just judged a horse book by its barcode. Well then. Anyway, I did some swirly whirlies and then added some other baselines, and I had a zebra, but then I decided that, maybe I should add a bit more stuff, so I did. And then the pencil was looking too pencil-y for me, and I decided to add a few more things, and I saw my ink looking at me like, well, you looked at me, and I'm looking at you, so, you can't ignore me now. And so I grabbed the ink markers, and I thought, hey, you're alcohol-based. That'd be cool if you tasted like your color. But that'd be a waste when there's plenty of that in the medicine cabinet. I'm just joking. We keep it on the counter. Anyway, I've always been afraid of going too dark in my drawings, but recently I've thought, screw it. Let's throw caution to the wind. Weird, I always wondered about that phrase when I was a kid. I always wondered, who the hell is Kosh? Anyway, that wraps it up for this drawing. Thanks for coming by, and tune in for my next one. Bye.